On the RAG distribution page, all RAG ratings entered into Doddle are summarised into the main table. It counts the number of red, amber and green assessments in each subject for each student. The graph below shows a summary of how many RAG ratings can be found in each subject as an overview. This graph will also cross-filter the table above, and vice versa. If we are only looking at one subject at a time, but more than one class group, click on the name of the pupil to see which set they are in. This page is mostly used for what we call reporting readiness. In other words, whether or not we have enough recent RAGs to send relevant reports home. To do this, leaders should select a time period using the date filters, choose the relevant assessments to check, and look out for holes in the data. For more information about filtering, view the filtering video in this YouTube channel.